Hi guys, these are our vocabulary words for seeker of knowledge. Let's get started. Ancient, of times long past, like this pyramid, it is ancient. Link, anything that joins or connects, as a loop of a chain does, kind of like this chain. They're linked together. Scholars, people who dedicate themselves to studying and learning, people having much knowledge, scholars. Seeker, one who tries to find, one who searches. These guys are probably anthropologists and they are seeking a new discovery. Temple, building used for the service or worship of God or gods. This here is probably a temple in the Asian continent. Translate, to change from one language into another. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bonjour. Hello. Those are all forms of greetings in different types of languages. Triumph, victory, success. To win something or to achieve something great is a triumph. Uncover, oh, I'm sorry. Uncover, to make known, reveal, expose. So to uncover, we uncovered the great mystery of the stolen popcorn. Okay, guys, those were our vocabulary words. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.